students, good morning all of you. Students, in my previous classes I taught you some of the facts about plants, how plants are essential for us, what we can do with plants, how to water a plant, how to sample a seed, how a plants come out, what are the other parts of the plants. I taught you. Now students, we are going to learn that how a plant make their food. Like we people need food to live now, so plants also need food to survive. Understood? Now after that we will read uses of plants in many ways. Understood? Now students, water, sunlight, soil and air are called friends of plants. Who are the friends of plants? Water, air, sunlight and soil. Without soil, where we will sample the seed? We cannot sample the seed into a bricks. There has to be soil. Okay. So if the soil came out, okay, soil is coming, the seed will come out from the ground, and it needs, you know what, soil, water and air, okay, to survive. After that, a leaf come out from the from that stem. Then leaf start making their food. To whom it is making the food? To the plants. Okay, so leaves make food for the plants. Now every plant requires the right amount of sunlight. Every plants require a sunlight. Okay, water and soil to prepare its food. Now it needs water and soil to prepare its food. If you will not give a plant a sufficient air, water, soil, then it will not grow. Understood? The plant stores the prepared food is carried by stem to various parts of the plant. Now whatever the stem was coming out from the, have you seen? I told you. So I taught you on previous class also that the first whatever it comes out from the ground, that is a stem. And stem, what is the main use of stem? Do you know? Stem, you know that stem is just carried by the stem. The food is carried by the stem to the other parts of the plant. Understood? And plant stores the extra food in its stem, leaves, root, fruit, flower and seeds. It is like we are eating from our mouth, okay, and it is going to the stomach. We people know, okay. So what our stomach is doing, our stomach is saturating the minerals, the vitamins from that certain food, and it is just storing or carrying that minerals from our different parts of the body. If our bones needed calcium, so whatever calcium we will eat, our stomach will send it to our bones. That will be, it will be strong. Understood? So this is the usage of stem. That is the main use of stem. It is circulating the other forms to live the plants. Okay, and when we store the extra food in these stems, leaves, root, fruit, flower and seeds. Now students, we will read uses of plants. Food. First uses of plants, that is food. What food? We get cereals, vegetables, fruits, species and oil from plants. Soybean oil, we get mustard oil, that is the plantation form. Okay, we get apple, mango, banana from plants. Okay, after that we got turmeric, we got coriander, we get red chili from the plants. Completed. We got vegetable like ladyfinger, potato, tomato, every vegetable from the plant. Understood? Even we get maize, you can say wheat, rice from the grains, okay, from the plants. So everything whatever we are eating, we are getting from plants. Understood? Now we get nuts from plants such as cashew nuts, almonds, pistachios and walnuts. Okay, we get from the plants. We get species, plants such as turmeric, red chili, cumin, coriander, clove and cardamom. Okay, so these species we are getting from plants. So plants is a very, very important part of our life, everyone's life. Okay, do you want to know the meaning of turmeric? That is healthy. Red chili, that is lal mircha, you say? Yes. Cumin, that is jeera. Coriander, that is dhania. And clove, that is long. And cardamom, that is dalchini. Understood? So they can be stored for many days. Okay. We get tea, cocoa, coffee and sugar from plants. We get oil from seeds. seed of groundnut, coconut, sesame. Sesame, do you know what is sesame? That is till. Okay. Mustard, sarso, and sunflower plants. Okay, that is we are getting the refined oil from sunflower plants. And we use oil for cooking as medicine and applying on hair and body. That coconut oil is a very good oil. Okay, and it is an olive oil also. We get olive from the plants itself. So groundnut, do you know what is groundnut? That is mungfali. Okay, name any 4 species used to make sambar. Have you eaten sambar? So if I have eaten, so I know. I am telling you the recipe. That is turmeric is important, coriander also important, yes, cardamom also important, and red chili is a little bit, it is also important. Okay, name any 2 nuts used in making kheer. Cashew nut, and you can also use almonds. You can also use almonds. Okay, shelter. Shelter means if I am standing here, that upper wall, that ceiling is my shelter. So if rainwater will come, if any time rain will start, so it will save me from wet. Getting me? Wet. I cannot wet by this shelter. So shelter is important. Your house is your shelter. So plants also gives us shelter. How? Plants give shelter to many wild animals. Yes? We see monkey, birds, insects living on trees. Birds build their nest on trees. In hot summer days, we take rest under the trees. We people accept animals. Animals, yes, they have to live on the tree or down to the tree. But we people also in summer season, we take rest under the tree. Okay, we feel cool. We feel very compatible under the tree. Okay. Now, fresh air, that is a very important factor. Plants is here, that's why we people are here. You know why? Plants always exhale carbon dioxide and always gives us a fresh oxygen. We people are breathing like that, we are intaking oxygen and we are exhaling. Exhaling means whatever air is coming out from our body, that is the carbon dioxide. Understood? So, plants gives us oxygen and take in carbon dioxide. As I told you, take in, okay, carbon dioxide and it is giving us oxygen. Okay, and we people are doing reverse. We are intaking the oxygen, we are giving the carbon dioxide. That is very harmful for us. All living beings like human and animal need oxygen for breathing. As I told you, oxygen also needed for burning. Plants help to make the air clean and fresh. As much as we do the plantation, our environment get clean air, fresh air, and we get more oxygen. In COVID time, students, we people there are lots of people they expired, they dead because there was lack of oxygen. Understood? So without oxygen, no life can be existed. Okay, so now we are knowing the existence, the importance of oxygen. So we should not cut the plant. We should not do harmful things for the plants which can harm our environment. Understood? We always take care of the plant. Do more plantation. Okay. We should always take care of the plants. Understood? Do you think plants also need oxygen to breathe? No. Plants always absorb carbon dioxide and it gives us oxygen. Okay. Food to animals. Plants provide food to animals. Many animals like deer, rabbit, cow and buffalo eat leaves and other parts of the plants. There are some animals which can only live by eating fresh plants, okay, or leaves. Okay, so plants can be helpful in many ways. So we should avoid deforestation. We should start afforestation. Deforestation means cutting down the plants. Afforestation means planting new plants. Okay, so we should always plant wherever we are getting place. We should always plant a tree, always apple seed, always water it. Okay, don't do anything which can harm your harm your life, harm your planet, harm other human beings. Understood? So with that, we have completed this chapter. No, we have not completed yet. We have some other useful plants. So I'll just teach you in the next class. Why? If I'll teach you more and more, you get tired. Okay. So we will read it after later. So right now, learn some of the facts which I have teach you. What is the importance, and if any word you will not understand, then mark it and write it and send it to me. I'll just make it clear. Understood? So with that, we have completed. Thank you.